In this video, I'll show you how to print a document from your PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. What I need to do, I need to be logged into my Microsoft Word, right? It can be a Microsoft Word Excel, it can be your Microsoft PowerPoint or any Microsoft application you want to use. So I want to use the Microsoft Word, right? So this is the Office SEO Tool document. So I'll make this to be maximized, right? So this is the full screen of this. So I want to print a document from my PC, right? So this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. So let me say I'll click on this blank document. Once I've clicked on it, it would open. So I can come on here and type how to edu. HowTo edu is an educational YouTube video or YouTube channel. Yeah, so this is it. But at first you need to connect your printer, right, to your PC if you want to print the document out. So but it's pretty easy. What you need to do, once I've typed this, or once you have typed what you want to type or what you want to print or the document you want to print from your PC, what you need to do, you'd click on this file, right? Once I've clicked on this file, you'd see this print option. Click on this print option. Yeah, so this is it. It'd be displayed with a print preview, right, of how your document will look like once you want to print it, right? So this is our print preview. So this is it. This is our print preview. So remember to connect your printer once you want to print a document from your PC. So once you have typed anything you want to type or the document, you would connect your printer. Then you'd click on this print, right? Click on this print, and this should be an A4 paper, right? It should be an A4 paper. Then it should be on portrait, yeah, portrait orientation. So once you are done these settings, if you have typed like 6 pages or 5 pages, you can click this all pages. You can select this page only, right? You can as well pick specific pages or ranges. So your printer needs to be connected. Once it has been connected, you'd click on this print, right? Once you have clicked on this print, it would print your document automatically. So there's no printer attached to this, so that is why this won't print, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.